Hi, I'm Katrina. I'm back again, okay? So, I'm gonna teach you girls on how to ponytail your hair even though your hair is short like mine. Okay, some other girls like me have a very short whatever have a very short haired back. My this part has short hair, so it's gonna be hard for me. But I only use it at home. But girls with long hairs at the back of your head are very lucky. So this is why I'm growing my hair up to here. Then I'm gonna cut it up to here again. Okay. So let's start. Um, I like these kind of ponytails because these are flexible and even though they take off easily and they break, um, they they take off the thingy. Um, it's still worth it because it'll work. Okay, so let's start. Start any color you like. You can wear it to school, anywhere, beach. Okay, but first you have to brush your hair. So please wait here. I'll get my brush. Sorry, I forgot my brush. I'm so irresponsible. Okay, I have a small brush. It's mine only. Okay, wait. I'll remove my earrings. These are the earrings that from the other video I made just recently, a bit 2 minutes ago, 15 minutes ago. I was bored, so I wanted to make this video and stuff. And I'm making videos today. Especially this is my second one. Okay, wait. Here we go, the last one. Sorry about the trouble. Okay, it hurts so much. It hurts a bit. Ow, I'm never gonna put it on again ever. Okay, first we comb our hairs, right? Make sure it's soft and not. You don't have to do like this. Make sure it's soft. Mine is soft because I use conditioner today. So you have to let it dry first because when you use conditioner, because it's gonna be really slippery and you won't be able to do it. Okay, let's start. Other girls who want the hairstyle like this, you can do it. And the girls with short hairs like mine, who have short hairs at the back, this is the type of hairstyle you can do. Okay, or use. Okay, at the top first, uh, you really need to comb that part. And some other parts of my hair really fall down on my face because it doesn't go with it. Okay, so there we go. Oh no, another part of my hair fell. Okay, here. Oh gosh, it's broken. I'm sorry, but I'm not gonna get to that. I'm gonna just do what I did, but fix it. Okay, I use conditioner so it's a bit slippery. So here we use this. We put it up. Wait, I'm gonna move the laptop. Okay, put it up so you can look better by putting up the hair, putting it higher. Okay, it'll result to this. Okay, that's the result. So if this is gonna break, it's not. It's ugly. It's ugly actually. Here on my hair. My hair it's like ugly like that. It's gonna turn out like that. But if you can make one prettier than mine, you can do it. Okay. So this is me, Katrina. Thanks for watching. Okay, this is a tutorial on how to ponytail your hair with short hair. The girls with short hair. Okay, thank you. Bye.